this is a way to memorize sine and cosine for each of what we would consider the 5 reference angles of the unit circle. Here's how you do it. You put your hand out in front of you like this, and your 5 fingers represent the following 5 angles: 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. Okay? So let's say you want to find the sine or cosine of a 30-degree angle. You go to your 30-degree finger and you put it down. Okay, sine is always to your right, cosine is to your left. To find the sine, you take the square root of the number of fingers divided by 2. So for this one, the sine would be the square root of 1 divided by 2, which is 1/2, the sine of 30. If you want the cosine of 30, you take the square root of the number of fingers, so square root of 3 divided by 2, which is the cosine of 30. And it works for all of them. So let's say you want a 45-degree angle. So remember 45 was here in the middle. So for each of these, the sine is the square root of 2 over 2. Cosine is square root of 2 over 2. If you want a 60-degree angle, so we have 0, 30, 45, 60. Sine is square root of 3 over 2. Cosine is square root of 1 over 2, or 1/2. That 90-degree angle there at the end, hard to put your finger down. Sine is the square root of 4, which is 2 over 2, which is 1. And of course cosine, with nothing being over there, would be 0. We skipped over 0 to start with, but the sine of 0 over here would be 0. And the cosine would be the square root of 4, which is 2, over 2, which is 1. So it's kind of a fun way to get those 5 reference angles, and then if you're using the rest of the unit circle, you just have to memorize the sines.